Intent to kill is not necessary in paragraphs 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 in murder. However, intent to kill is necessary in paragraph 3. Take note of the words by means of. It means that the offender consciously adopted the use of these methods, ways to kill a person. It means na from the very beginning, there is an actual design to kill. Kaya nga niya ginamit to para pumatay. So dito sa number 3, kailangang may intent to kill talaga. So intent to kill is not necessary in 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6 except number 3. Example, while Pedro was talking to his father in the sidewalk, Juan approached Pedro from behind and gave him a fist blow at the back part of Pedro's head and ran away. Pedro suffered a mortal wound which caused his death. Is Juan liable for the crime of murder even if there is no intent to kill? So dito, inatake niya si Pedro nung nakatalikod si Pedro. The possible qualifying circumstance here is treachery. Yes, one is liable for the direct, natural, and logical consequence. Because there is treachery in the manner of execution, the crime is qualified to murder. So kahit na walang intent to kill dito, kasi diba sinuntok niya lang, walang intent to kill, liable pa rin siya for murder because of the presence of treachery. How about in this example? Juan wanted to arouse Maria sexually, so he gave her a chocolate mixed with catharide. Because catharide contained poison, Maria died. Is Juan liable for the crime of murder? So eto, may intent to kill ba dito? Wala. Ang intention lang ni Juan is to arouse Maria sexually. Pero nagkataon lang na may na-poison pala ang catharide, kaya namatay si Maria. So walang intent to kill, pero namatay si Maria. Is Juan liable for the crime of murder? The answer is no, because Juan has no intent to kill the victim, and he did not use poison to kill her, but only to arouse her sexually. Just remember yung sinabi natin kanina, di ba? Intent to kill is not necessary sa 1 to 6, except number 3. Kasi nga, by means of, there is an actual intent to kill. Kaya niya ginamit ang fire, poison, explosion. So talagang meron siyang intention to kill sa number 3. Unlike sa 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, kailangan lang present sila. Pero sa number 3, kailangang may intent to kill talaga. Then 1 is only liable for homicide. Kasi namatay si Maria, although hindi murder, liable pa rin siya sa pagkamatay niya. So the crime would be homicide.